liking. Interesting part about this is he took the words from medieval anthology, so he set it in a medieval setting. I think you heard with the Justorum Animae, which was written by late 19th century, early 20th century composer Stanford. He wrote that in an old style, and so Gustav Holst also writes Lule My Liking in the same antique style, even though he wrote The Planets, which John Williams ripped off for Star Wars. There you go, now.
My dear son, my sweet